In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails in iCloud Mail. If you've ever scrolled endlessly trying to find a single message, this walkthrough will save you time. We'll use iCloud Mail in a web browser, so open your preferred browser and go to iCloud.com Mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to access your inbox. Once you're in, you'll see your messages listed in the center of the screen. At the top of that message list is the search field. This is where all the magic happens. Click into the search box and start typing a word or phrase related to what you're looking for. This can be a sender's name, a subject line, or any keyword that might appear in the message. As you type, iCloud Mail will offer helpful suggestions like sender contains or subject contains. These are quick filters you can click to focus your results right away. When you're ready, press Return or Enter to see the full set of matches. A few simple strategies can make your search even faster. You can try multiple search terms one after the other if your first attempt doesn't surface what you need. If you're trying to catch up on what you haven't read yet, type unread to pull up unread messages. And when you're hunting for emails from a specific period, type a time reference such as 2022 or last week to narrow the results to that time frame. Keep your terms clear and specific for best results. By default, iCloud Mail searches within the folder you're viewing. That means if you only want to look through your sent messages or you know the email is in your inbox, click that folder first before you search. You'll see results limited to that mailbox, which can cut down on noise and speed up your find. When you're done reviewing results and want to return to your full message list, just clear the search box or choose Cancel. Your regular mailbox view will reappear exactly as it was. One important note: on iCloud.com, search does not check every folder at once. If you don't find what you need in one folder, repeat the same search in another, like Archive or Sent. Starting in the folder where the message is most likely to live can help you avoid extra steps. That's it. With these quick techniques, using suggestions, trying focused keywords, and choosing the right folder, you can zero in on any email in iCloud Mail without the endless scroll.